Hello everyone, welcome to the Muteland channel. Have you ever wondered what secrets the Amazon forest might be hiding in its depths? Indeed, the Amazon forest is more than just a collection of trees. It's a pulsating, living entity that breathes life into our planet. Spanning across 8 countries and covering an area nearly 2/3 the size of the United States, the Amazon boasts one of the most diverse ecosystems in the world. The forest shelters a staggering number of species, with estimates suggesting that over 1/3 of all known terrestrial species call this place home. But it's not just about the number of species, it's about the intricate web of life that they form. From the towering kapok trees to the smallest of insects, every creature plays a role in this grand symphony of life, contributing in its unique way to the forest's health and vitality. But the Amazon forest isn't just a treasure trove of biodiversity, it's also the planet's lungs, producing about 20% of the world's oxygen. It's a vast carbon sink, absorbing billions of tons of carbon dioxide annually, acting as a buffer against climate change. And it's the world's largest river system, its waterways serving as the lifeblood of forest and beyond. Yet for all its size and grandeur, the Amazon is as fragile as it is powerful. It's a delicate balance, with each element intertwined with the others in a complex dance of life, death, and renewal. And then there are the secrets that the forest still holds. The undiscovered species hiding in the undergrowth, the untapped medicinal plants that could hold the key to curing diseases, the unexplored regions that have yet to reveal The Amazon is not just a forest, it's a world teeming with life and history. It's a testament to the wonders of nature, a reminder of our planet's incredible diversity, and a beacon of hope for our future. So as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the Amazon, let's remember that we're not just exploring a forest. We're stepping into a world that's more than just trees and foliage. It's a living, breathing testament to the wonders of our planet. The Amazon is not just a forest, it's a world teeming with life and history. The Amazon is home to an astounding variety of life. As we delve deeper into this vibrant ecosystem, we find ourselves in the midst of a biological kaleidoscope, teeming with species that range from the microscopic to the gargantuan. Starting small, let's consider the leafcutter ants. They may be tiny, but these industrious insects play a monumental role in the Amazonian ecosystem. They cut leaves into manageable pieces and carry them back to their colonies, where they use the plant material to cultivate a fungus that serves as their primary food source. In doing so, they help to decompose plant matter, returning essential nutrients back to the soil and promoting plant growth. On the other end of the spectrum, we find the mighty jaguar. This apex predator sits at the top of the food chain, and its hunting habits play a crucial role in controlling the populations of other species. But the jaguar does more than just keep numbers in check. Its preference for certain prey can influence the distribution and behavior of various species, shaping the Amazon's biodiversity in profound ways. And let's not forget the Amazon's avian inhabitants. With over 1,000 species of birds, the Amazon is a birdwatcher's paradise. From the brightly colored macaws to the elusive harpy eagle, each bird species contributes to the Amazon's rich tapestry of life in its own unique way. In the waters of the Amazon River, we find the pink dolphin, a species so unique it seems almost mythical. These intelligent creatures are crucial for maintaining the health of the river ecosystem, influencing everything from fish populations to water quality. The Amazon's biodiversity is a complex web of life, where each species, no matter how big or small, plays a pivotal role. From the leafcutter ants to the pink dolphins, every creature contributes to the ecosystem in its own unique way, shaping the environment and influencing other species. Each creature, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the delicate balance of the Amazon. And that's what makes the Amazon, the world's largest tropical rainforest, such an incredibly diverse and fascinating place. Humans, too, are an integral part of the Amazon's ecosystem. Let's take a moment to dive into the human side of the Amazon, the indigenous tribes who call this vast forest their home. These tribes have carved out their existence in the Amazon for thousands of years, living in harmony with the forest, its animals, and its rhythms. Each tribe has its own unique customs and traditions, yet they all share a profound respect for the forest that sustains them. From the Yanomami tribe, known as the people of the rainforest, to the Kayapo, the warriors of the Amazon, these tribes live in a delicate balance with their environment, They hunt and fish, but always with an understanding of the need to maintain the forest's delicate balance. They gather fruits, nuts, and roots, but they also plant and cultivate, ensuring the continual regeneration of the forest. Their deep knowledge of the forest is not just a means of survival, but it's also a way of life. They know the medicinal properties of countless plants, understand the behavior of the forest's diverse wildlife, and can navigate the complex waterways of the Amazon with ease. They are the true masters of the Amazon, but their role goes beyond that. They are also the guardians of the Amazon. Their sustainable way of life and their fight against deforestation and illegal mining are key to the preservation of the Amazon. Their deep-rooted belief in the sacredness of the forest and their commitment to its protection makes them not just inhabitants, but caretakers. So as we explore the fascinating world of the Amazon's human inhabitants, let's remember their invaluable contribution. They are not just living in the forest, they are a part of it, shaping it, protecting it, and preserving it for future generations. The people of the Amazon are not merely inhabitants, but caretakers of this incredible ecosystem. The Amazon, despite its size and strength, faces significant threats. Imagine this for a moment. A colossal, vibrant, breathing entity teeming with life, yet trembling on the precipice of danger. The threats the Amazon grapples with are as diverse as the forest itself. At the forefront of these threats is deforestation. Every minute, an area equivalent to 50 soccer fields is lost. You heard that right, every minute. This is primarily due to illegal logging, mining, and agriculture. These activities not only strip the forest of its trees, but they also disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem, leading to loss of biodiversity and extinction of species. The Amazon is home to countless animals and plants, many of them unique to this region. The loss of their habitat spells doom for these species. Then there's the issue of climate change. The Amazon plays a crucial role in regulating the planet's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide, one of the primary greenhouse gases. But deforestation and forest degradation are turning this vital carbon sink into a carbon source. This means that instead of absorbing carbon dioxide, the Amazon is now releasing it back into the atmosphere, exacerbating the problem of global warming. The impact of these threats is felt not only by the forest and its animal inhabitants, but also by its human inhabitants. The indigenous tribes of the Amazon, who have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries, are witnessing their home slowly being destroyed. Their way of life, their culture, and their very survival are under threat. But it's not just the indigenous tribes who are affected. The Amazon affects the global climate, and its destruction could have far-reaching consequences for us all. It's a stark reminder that our actions today will determine the future of this incredible forest and indeed, our planet. The future of the Amazon hangs in a delicate balance. But remember, it's a balance that we have the power to restore. After all, the Amazon is more than just a forest. It's an irreplaceable world of wonder, a world we need to protect before it's too late. The preservation of the Amazon is not just a local issue, but a global responsibility. So, let's take a moment to understand why. You see, the Amazon isn't just a sprawling forest, home to countless species and indigenous tribes. It's the lungs of our planet, producing 20% of the world's oxygen and absorbing vast quantities of carbon dioxide. When we protect the Amazon, we're not just safeguarding a forest, we're preserving the very air we breathe. The Amazon rainforest is a global treasure, a treasure that's under threat. Every minute, an area the size of 3 football fields is destroyed. Imagine that. In the time it's taken you to listen to this, we've lost more than 6 football fields of irreplaceable wilderness. The consequences of this loss are far-reaching, affecting climate patterns, biodiversity, and indigenous communities. But here's the good news. This is a problem we can solve together. There are numerous ways in which we can contribute to the preservation of the Amazon, no matter where we are in the world. It can be as simple as making more sustainable choices in our daily lives. Opt for products that are sustainably sourced. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Each small action adds up, creating a ripple effect that can lead to significant change. Supporting organizations dedicated to preserving the Amazon is another way to make a difference. These groups work tirelessly to protect the forest, its inhabitants, and to promote sustainable practices. By donating, volunteering, or even just spreading the word about their work, we can help amplify their impact. Remember, every action counts. Every voice matters. This isn't about one person or one nation shouldering the burden, but about all of us, from every corner of the globe standing together to protect this incredible ecosystem. Because at the end of the day, the future of the Amazon isn't just in the hands of those who live there, but in ours as well. Together, we hold the future of the Amazon in our hands. So let's make sure we handle it with care. Thank you so much for sticking with us through this journey into the heart of the Amazon. We hope you've learned something new and perhaps even feel inspired to join the cause. If you found this video enlightening, we'd be incredibly grateful if you could subscribe to our channel and leave a like. It might seem like a small gesture, but it helps us reach a wider audience and spread the word about the crucial issues facing our planet. And if you're feeling particularly engaged, why not leave a comment? We'd love to hear your thoughts on the Amazon, its importance, and what you think we can do to help protect it. Remember, we're in this together. Every voice, every action adds up. Thank you for your time, your attention, and your willingness to make a difference. Together, we hold the future of the Amazon in our hands. Let's make sure we handle it with care.